Hello, this is Simple SolidWorks. Today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to talk more about um, my editing software that I'm currently using to create my videos. Um, um, Prior to using this software, I used to use Final Cut Pro. I had an Apple station, and I felt that, well, it was more compatible if I got something that worked with Apple itself. So I went ahead and purchased Final Cut Pro. Never quite got into the Apple software system. I sort of always been a Windows user, so it's kind of difficult for me to jump and suddenly get into Apple and start working with the Apple computer and then also an Apple software. So I when I decided to launch this channel, I decided, well, I pay for Final Cut. I have this Apple computer. Let me get started on that. But since I'm working in SolidWorks, and SolidWorks doesn't have a SolidWorks for Apple, unless you turn your Apple computer into a Windows operating system, which then defeats the whole purpose. I decided to stick with just with my Windows application. So I went ahead and started to do some searches about what kind of a you know video editing software out there that was affordable and yet had the robust animations that I was looking for, and Movavi Video Editor Plus came out on my Google search as one of the top ones, and I did the initial free trial that it comes with it, like the first 10 days or something, and I started to play around with it and started creating some videos, and I found out that the software is pretty robust. It's pretty easy to work with. You can find a ton of videos out there how to make all these crazy animations and such, but the software really is pretty easy to work with. I do recommend that if you are getting into creating videos, especially YouTube videos, search around, but I have not found one that creates animation as easy as this program. I mean, I'm not a video editor by no means. I have no skill whatsoever on that. But I was able to quickly create um, simple animations by just dragging and dropping things that I thought that I would never be able to do in my as a video editor. I mean, this is something to me was totally foreign. But if you notice that first clip of that video that I just ran here, that only took me maybe a day to figure out how to do that. Like, how do I drop something? How do I make something transition from one side to the other? Um, this video editing software is it's not expensive either. It'll probably run you $85, just the basic package, right? What you could run with and do these animations with. And then if you want to add special effects or other packages, if you notice it's got this little key lock there. If you click on that, it'll take you to their website, and there you'll see that the prices for these type of packages are not expensive at all. I mean, it tells you, it runs you through the process, it shows you what it does, and it gives you the animation of what you're going to purchase. And if you're doing a type of a video that works with this type of software, then this is what you can do with it. So I find that the software itself comes with some serious alternate stuff that you might want to use if you're creating your videos. So again, this is very intuitive software. I do recommend it if you're interested on if you want to do some video editing and you're not an expert in it, I do recommend this software. This is a very easy software to work with, and it's affordable. So that's a plus on my side on two ends. So if you want to look into it, just do a Google search. Look for Movavi Video Editor Plus. And you can have fun with it. It's a very easy program. Thank you.